Hey YouTube, it's Cape Cod. Probably seen some of my other videos. I did some landscape work, and so I didn't have a chainsaw. We needed a chainsaw to cut down 2 trees at Burger King, and to delimb another tree down in Cape Canaveral at a residential. Let's see, this chainsaw made about $1,700 in 2 days. I paid $60 for this chainsaw on Craigslist. It was in brand new condition when I got it. It's a little dirty right now because I haven't cleaned it since I did the 2 jobs. And I got to put the air hose to it and kind of spray it down, get the sawdust off of it. Personally, this chainsaw earns me $600. I got $500 from the Burger King job, and I got $100 for the no, I got $550. The second job I only made $50 on the residential job. It was a 3-way split on both jobs. So I paid $60 for it. The chainsaw made $1,700. I got to attempt to start it. I haven't started it since I got it. Since the day we used it. $60 came with the box. Came with an extra blade that's brand new in the package. Still new. Hasn't been opened yet. Came with the bar tool and the chain tool to start, and the spark plug tool. The owner's manual. Came full of gas. The 41 mix. It's a Poulan brand chainsaw. So that's all stuck on there. I have to scrub that off because the bar. If you look at the bar, really, there's no wear to it. It's got some sawdust on it right now. It's a Poulan wild thing. You buy them at Lowe's. Some other vendors have them. I looked it up online before I went and bought it. It was a $200 chainsaw. $190 or something like that. $200 for the chainsaw. You know, when you start putting taxes and stuff on it. It's 18-inch blade. This is the choke right here. Just pull the choke out. It's off and on. So it's on. Pull the choke out. It's got a little primer bulb. Yeah, pull this bar back. Pull the bar back for the chain to work. I guess you're supposed to step on that when you... I gotta hold this down. Let's see if I can do this. I just primed it again. Choke back in. Yeah.